Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use media queries. Media queries are a powerful CSS technique that allows you to apply different styles to your website based on the characteristics of the device viewing it. This is crucial for creating responsive web designs that look great on everything from small smartphones to large desktop monitors. You define these conditions using the @media rule directly within your CSS style sheet. When working with media queries, you'll often use features like min-width and max-width to target screens above or below a certain pixel dimension, for example, 600 pixels. The orientation feature helps you apply styles specifically for devices held in portrait or landscape mode. Furthermore, resolution allows you to adjust designs for screens with different pixel densities, ensuring crisp visuals on high-definition displays. To implement media queries effectively, it's a good practice to place them towards the end of your main CSS file. Inside the @media block, you'll nest the specific CSS rules that should apply when the conditions are met. You can also combine multiple conditions using logical operators like and, not, or only to create more precise targeting. For instance, for screens between 768 and 1024 pixels wide. For optimal results, consider adopting a mobile-first approach, designing for smaller screens first and then scaling up. Always thoroughly test your responsive design across a wide range of devices and browser environments to catch any inconsistencies. Remember to utilize relative units such as percentages, em, or rem for font sizes and spacing, which provides greater flexibility and adaptability across varying screen dimensions.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.